Fifth grade into math module 5. How can I cover this stain? Oh no, there is a stain on the wooden floor. Draw the smallest rectangular carpet you can use to cover the stain. Okay, so we're going to outline the area to cover up the spill. Okay, so we would come up here and we would draw a cross, and I'd come to about here, right? Is that going to cover all of that so far? And then I'm going to come down. Does that cover it all so far? Do I need to go any further, or am I good? Okay. Then I need to come across and go to where I stopped earlier, and then come down. Does my box cover all of that seam? Okay. So what is the length of your rectangle? So it says each one of those is 1 square foot. So if I count, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 squares this way, right? So 9 what? What's the length? 9, not square feet, because this is just the length. 9 feet, right? Okay. What is the width of your rectangle? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 6 what? 6 feet. And what is the formula for area? Area equals length times width. So we would do A equals 9 times 6, which equals 54, and then square feet. Or I can also write it as 54 feet squared. So I could write it either way, and I would take that as an answer. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. So perimeter. So to find the perimeter, you add up all the sides, right? So right here, there are 3, right? Right here, there's 1. Right here, there's 2. How many here? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, right? 1 here, 1 here, and 2 there, right? Okay, so if I go and add all those up, and I work around the clock, so 3 plus 2 is, plus 1 is, plus 1 is, plus 6 is, plus 2 is, plus 2 is, plus 1 is, so 18 units. Okay, let's start at the top and work around the clock again to write them. So how many here? 2, 1, right? 1, 1, 1, 1. How many here? 5, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so let's work around the clock. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 14, 15, 16. So 16 units, right? Okay, now they want us to find the area. So will we do all of those around the outside this time? No, we're just going to count how many total boxes there are, correct? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Okay, over here on 4, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can touch it to figure out all the spots, right? And make sure you didn't miss one. Use the associative property of multiplication. Find the unknown number. So they're saying 4 times 80, but they want to break it apart. Okay, so 4 times what? Times 10. So what do we? 8, right? 3 times 50. So they broke it apart. They broke the 50 apart. 3 times 5 times 10. So basically they're using the units of 10 to make it a little easier to work, right? 6 times 70. So 6 times 7 times 10. 60 times 9. This, they kind of did it in a different order, but it still means the same thing, right? That's what associative means. So what goes in there? Next one, 30 times 7. 10 times blank times 7. 3. Next one, 4 times 40. So 4 times 4 times 10.